Hello students. So today we are going to study about diversity and discrimination. Diversity is made from the word diverse, which means different. Diversity is the range of many people or things very different from each other. India is a country of many diversities. We speak different languages, have various types of food, celebrate different festivals and practice different religion. There are lots of social evils that are there in our society. The first one is prejudice. Prejudice means to judge people negatively or see them as inferior, which means when we have a negative opinion about someone without knowing that person, then that is prejudice. Stereotype. When we fix people into one image, it is called stereotype. Now we will see what is inequality. The difference in the economic background of people is called inequality. Economic background means whether the person is rich or poor. So that difference in the economic background is inequality. Discrimination. Discrimination happens when people act on their prejudice or stereotype. There are lots of reasons for this discrimination. We will see each one of them. First is religion. On the basis of the religion, the people are being discriminated. Language. On the basis of the language, the people are being discriminated in the society. Region. On the basis of the places where they live, the people are being discriminated. Economic background and caste system. Caste system is a class structure that is determined by the birth. That means when a child is born, he or she gets the caste of his father or mother. In the caste system, communities or group of people were placed in a sort of ladder. Those who placed themselves at the top of this ladder called themselves upper caste and saw themselves as superior. The groups who were placed at the bottom of the ladder were seen as unworthy and called untouchables. We will see this through the diagram. You can see a picture on the screen. At the top are the Brahmins, the people close to God. Next to Kshatriyas, the warrior class. After then, Vaishyas, the business class. And then Shudras, the lowest class of farmers and those who served the other classes. And below are the untouchables, often known as Dalits. So this was a kind of class structure that is being present in our society for a long period of time. The higher caste used to discriminate the lower caste people. Dalit is a term that people belonging to so-called lower caste used to address themselves. They prefer this word to untouchable. Dalit means those who have been broken. The government refers to this group of people as scheduled caste. How were the untouchables treated? The untouchables were treated very badly. They were forced to pick garbage. They were forced to remove dead animals. They were not allowed to enter the homes of the upper caste. They were not allowed to enter temples. Lower caste children could not sit next to the children of the other caste in school. So there were a lot of discrimination on the basis of the caste system. Striving for equality. With regard to equality, the Constitution says. Now, because of this discrimination, there are lots of provisions being made for the untouchables or for the scheduled caste. Equality is a key value that unites all Indians. Everyone has equal rights and opportunities despite of any caste. All the people are equal in front of the law and everyone has the equal rights and opportunities. People are free to choose their kind of work they wish to do. Government jobs are open for all, and untouchability is seen as crime and has been legally abolished by law. So, after facing lots of discrimination, the caste system has been totally abolished with the help of the law. Now, India is a secular country. All citizens are equal, and nobody can do the discrimination on the basis of this caste system. So that's all for this class. Thank you.